Hi friends, it's Mrs. O. Yesterday we learned the letter pattern ET to make new words. When we're reading, we can notice what words have ET in them. So today we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to try a different pattern. Behind me I have our vowels, and remember this week we're working on the eh sound, okay, the short E. So yesterday we did eh. So today we're going to do EG pattern. So when we're working today, I'm going to need you to get some letters again, just like we did yesterday. Here's the letters you're going to need. Okay, we're working on an EG pattern, and these are the letters you're going to need. So we need a P, an M, an S, a T, an R, an E, and a G. So go ahead and get your letters. Again, if you don't have your letters, it's okay. You can write them. Okay, you can write them, you can use a whiteboard, you can use paper, you can use whatever you have, but you want to make sure you're practicing our new patterns because the more we practice with our patterns, the better readers we're going to become. Okay, so we're going to focus on our short E pattern, like I said, with EG. Let me get these guys out of the way now. All right. So let's think about the word leg, okay? Let's think about the word leg. So leg, this tells me egg, leg. Remember, first we sound it out. Egg, leg. Okay, so let's take that L off. Now we're going to put a B in the front. Okay, so now you say egg, bag, right, bag, egg, bag. Good job. Remember, if we separate the word, it's easier to read because we can sound it out. Egg, but we want to say it fast. Egg. We just do that to separate it so we can sound it. But pretty soon, you're going to notice these words, you're going to recognize them, and you're going to know them in a snap. Bag, egg, bag. Good job. Let's get your letters out. Remember the letters I asked you to get? The E, the G, the P, the M, the S, the T, and the R. Okay, so let's find the letter P. This is what our P looks like. Remember, it makes the p sound. Okay, let's put it in front. So let's sound it first. Egg, peg. Egg, peg. What word did we get? Say it with me. Peg. Let's sound it again. Egg, peg. Good job. The next letter I asked you to get was an M. Can you get your M? This is what our M looks like. An M says, Okay. Egg. Meg. Egg. Meg. Say it with me. Meg. Good job. How about, let's get the S. Okay. Now, egg. Egg. Ready? Let's sound it first. Together. Egg. Say it fast. Seg. Now, this is what we call a nonsense word, okay? Seg is not a word, but we're using it for this sounding, and it's called a nonsense word. Sometimes when we do things, we say it's okay to make a nonsense word, okay? So that's not a real word, but remember, egg, that's our pattern that we're working with. So let's get your T out. Can you get your T? Now this is going to be another nonsense word, but let's sound it out first. Egg, Egg. Let's sound it with me. Egg. Say it fast. Tag. Tag. Yes, that's not a real word. It's a nonsense word, but we're just doing this so that we can get practice sounding them out. Okay, and the last letter I asked you to get was an R. Okay, so R says rough, like rain, right? Rough. Egg. Reg. Again, we have a nonsense word. And it's okay to use nonsense words when we're learning to read patterns, right? Because as long as we notice that this says egg and we put letters in front, that's how we learn to read new words. So let's sound it together. Or egg, reg. Great job. Today you learned the letter pattern EG to make new words. When you are reading, you can notice words that have an EG pattern.